What should you do if your iPad is stuck and not responding at all? No buttons are working and is completely frozen. Yes, don't be surprised, it can happen to anyone. Despite of the fact that iOS is one of the best software experience, there are times when iPads or iPhones can get stuck or frozen and won't respond to anything. In this case, there is a simple and easy way to bring it back to normal, depending on which iPad you have. As for some iPads, you will have to press volume up and then volume down button, and then keep pressing and holding the power button. This will take your iPad to a forced restart and will solve the issue. For other iPads, you need to press the power button and at the same time the fingerprint sensor button together. Let's do it. So pressing the power and the fingerprint scanner button together and keep pressing it for some time. You will see the iPad will turn off and reboot and you will see Apple logo. And once you see the Apple logo, you can just leave the buttons as it will reboot and all the issues you were facing of touch not working or non-responsive iPad, they will all be resolved now. So here you can see that after the reboot, everything works perfectly fine. So if you are stuck in this situation, kindly use this method to come out of it. Well, that's it for this short video, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope it solved your issue. If you're still facing issue with your iPad, then definitely you should go and meet an expert in Apple Store or a local expert. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.